I am Dr. Virendra Gopal, practicing in Jaipur, and I am using laser refractive surgery since 99. So I am also known as a laser eye surgeon in my town and my state. Cataract is a common disorder, as you all know. What do you mean by cataract? Let me clear you that everybody born with a natural lens in the eye. It is a common thing, and this natural lens is a transparent one. Until it becomes opaque, it is not called as cataract. This natural lens has a special advantage or ability to focus at all ranges from here till far distance, because this lens can change its power with the support of some muscles, these are called as ciliary muscles, to a definite focus wherever a person wants to see. But with age, commonly it becomes some opaque one, or there are some diseases, or sometime unfortunately at birth itself it can be opaque. So the cataract can happen at any age. Usually it is without any reason, without any disease, but many of the times the cataract can be there after trauma, use of particular drugs, more commonly like steroids, some particular disease, commonly like diabetes. So there are some diseases of the eye itself which are uveitis or inflammation in the eye, some degenerative disease in the eye, the cataract can develop. Cataract means, again I will explain you that whenever the natural lens becomes opaque, opacified, or less in transparency is called as cataract. Whenever this kind of thing happens, the patient start feeling the quality of vision is not up to mark. The quality of vision may be deteriorated suddenly, grossly, or sometime in a particular conditions, like while driving in the night, while driving in the day, or whenever there is a difference in the lighting conditions. Dim light conditions gives difficulty in reading or doing routine work. Sometimes there is a glare, sometimes the lights are reflected, sometimes you start seeing multiple images of one particular object, and sometimes your vision gets blurry, but if you change the power of glasses the vision may become better, but this kind of change keep on happening very frequently. So there are different types of cataracts. I will not go in detail, but whenever cataract is there, the patient's quality of vision is a compromise or affected, and this may start affecting gradually his daily routine activities or a specific job for which he feels that his earnings are affected. Let me clear you, the cataract almost never gives you pain until unless it becomes over mature when it develops glaucoma. Cataract does not give you watering and other symptoms, but it can increase your other problems. That is one thing. There is no other treatment than surgery for cataract till date. There is no medicine which can treat cataract at present. There are many different surgeries, but I will go in detail only for two types of surgery. One is a phacoemulsification and another one is a laser. Phacoemulsification is done manually. We use machine which is operated manually and it gives good results. But the results can be made better with the use of laser. Whenever we do cataract surgery, initially almost 50-60 years ago, the cataract was removed and nothing was replaced or implanted in the eye, and you require to use a thick glasses. Many of you may be having experience that patients were moving with the thick glasses and green patch over the eye for months together, and thick glasses were giving good vision but not very good vision, not a very clear vision, and sometimes whenever you are not having glasses you are almost like a blind one, because the glass power was in the range of plus 10 diopter. And gradually when the lens implantation started, these kind of thick glasses were not required, but patient used to require glasses for near vision and sometimes for distance vision also. And with the advancements and developments in the lenses, we started having, instead of monofocal lenses, multifocal or trifocal lenses. Instead of simple spherical lenses, we started getting aspheric lenses, toric lenses, to give a particular kind of lens giving better vision in a particular patient. And with the advancement in the lens technology, now we can do cataract surgery and patient can be having freedom from glasses, and he can use his distance, near, intermediate, or all kind of vision without glasses also. Though the natural lens is having a better focus power with the different shift, and the artificial lens or pseudophakia in which we implant a plastic lens cannot have a multiple infinite focus points, but definitely it makes patient very comfortable for a particular distance and very comfortable in doing mobile work, computer work, near vision reading and distant vision. Multifocal lenses or trifocal lenses have a minor negative point, that is whenever somebody is driving in the night and he sees headlights, he is seeing halos or glare on those particular lights. Rest of the conditions, patients are not having any complaint with multifocal or trifocal lenses. But if you trade off like what are the advantage and what are the disadvantage of multifocal trifocal lenses, with this small problem, if you get an advantage of freedom from glasses for majority of work, particularly for doing your mobile, laptop, iPad or computer work, watching TV, seeing a mobile phone, seeing your time on the clock or a wristwatch and driving and all other activities without glasses, it is a big advantage. If you consider them into a financial reasons also, these lenses are slightly costly, but at the cost when you don't require to use glasses most often and don't require to change them very often and you don't require progressive ones, and even the progressive ones have a limitation that whenever you want to see any object at a near distance in your hand, you require to see down. You can't see them in like this because the progressive lenses are made like this. The distance part or the upper part of the glass is for distance vision, the lower part is for near vision. But with these advantage, but with the new lenses like multifocal or trifocal, you can have a near vision at this point, here and here, and particularly like job where you are looking for computer screens all around you and including above your eye level, particularly like pilots and many other jobs in which you are watching multiple screens at one point. These kind of lenses give you freedom and advantage of watching them very clearly. So there are different type of lenses which give you freedom. There are different types of surgery in which phaco and laser is common. Though some patients understand the phaco itself is laser. No, let me make very clear. The laser have started in big use since almost 2012-13 and we are doing this laser treatment for cataract surgery since 2014 and we found that the results have increased much for the patient. Now the quality of vision post-operatively is better, the safety is much better and the precision, which is the most important thing for any surgery, has definitely improved and increased with the use of laser.